Hi guys, it's Mrs. Jackson. I wanted to walk you through a couple of pieces on today's lab activity. So when you open up your lab activity, should look like this. You are going to be simulating radioactive decay. So this is going to introduce or maybe even clarify how radioactive decay works. Radioactive decay is when a nucleus breaks down in a series of steps. So it's going to maybe go through an alpha decay and then another alpha decay, and it eventually breaks down until it gets to about the atomic number 82, which is lead. So what you're going to do, I need you to read through the introduction and the objectives. We will be doing this simulated dice rolling instead of using a container of dice, but we are going to still collect data, graph the data, and analyze the data. What I want to show you though is how to use the dice generator. When you read your instruction, you're going to choose, and you should be able to see it right here, 56 dice. The dice generator is linked here for you. Go ahead and open that up, and you're going to be able to choose 56 dice. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to choose 56, and when I'm ready to roll, I'm going to hit that button. When I go back and I look at the instructions, when I go back and I look at the instructions, it tells me to roll all 56 dice and remove only the dice that come up as either sixes or ones. So you're not working with physical dice. So what you're going to have to do is going to look a little differently than if you had actual dice in front of you. Let me show you what I want you to do. You're going to take this, you're going to roll your 56 dice, and you're going to get a spread like this. Then you need to count how many of your dice are sixes or ones. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So I'm going to go back to my lab and I'm going to record how many decayed, that would be 18, and then how many remain. And that's going to be 56 minus 18, which is 38. The next time I roll my dice, I want to go back and I want to choose 38 dice because I'm only going to roll what wasn't a 1 or a 6 to begin with. Then I roll the dice and I complete that again. And it's going to give you different values. So each one of you are actually going to have your own data, but it's ultimately going to look very similar once you get your data values graphed. So that's how you use the random dice generator for this activity. So go ahead, jump in, and you can complete this lab as a PDF and right on top of it. The graph, however, is an image, still should work on a PDF to graph your data. It tells you very clearly what to put on each of the axes, so if you will just read, that's going to help you an awful lot. So go ahead, run your trials, grab your data, and plot that out. Thanks.